Hey guys, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is my monthly IPSY unboxing, unbagging, whatever you guys like to call this video. We are in a new year of IPSY and I'm super excited to bring you this video. I took a sneak peek this month because I heard the bags were just so good. Like, the contents of these bags this month, you guys, are so good, and I couldn't wait. So I do know a few of the products that are inside of both my Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus this month, and they are so good. So I'm so excited to share them with you. I will have a link down in the description box below where you can subscribe to IPSY. They have multiple tiers of IPSY. Today I will be sharing with you IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. I'll also have all the products linked individually down below if there's a specific product that catches your eye. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my Glam Bag Plus for the month of January 2022. And I can't believe we're in a new year. I am so grateful. So let's go ahead and see what's inside my Glam Bag this month. This month's theme is Happy Vibes, and it's like a classic tie-dye bag. I really like the material of this bag. It's like it'd be easy to wipe off, so I really like that. But it's just a classic tie-dye bag with a little smiley face zipper. Nothing too crazy. We'll go ahead and get into this. The first product that I pulled out of my Glam Bag is by the brand Grace and Stella, and this is the Say Hi Hydration Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. I was super excited about this product. I think it's a setting spray from Grace and Stella that I received in an IPSY like a month or two ago. And it's really good. I love smaller beauty brands. They tend to have some really great underrated products, and so I'm really excited to see what this one looks like. Just the quality of Grace and Stella's product has impressed me so far. Oh, so like a really tiny bottle. You could definitely travel with this. It's only 0.34 fluid ounces. It's like very high quality. I'm excited to try this. It's a hyaluronic acid. You apply 2 to 3 drops over cleansed face and neck before creams. Decided to give this a try. I'll let you know what I think in an upcoming video. This next product I was so excited about. It's just a mini sample, but you just can't go wrong when receiving products from this brand, and it's Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Professional, but this is their new light primer. I'm not really sure what the difference is between their original primer and this new light primer because I haven't really looked into it. So they sent me a PR package a while back and sent me like a couple of the regular Professionals that I really like, but here's what the light primer looks like. I'm actually going to go ahead and just swatch it. And not really swatch it because you won't be able to see it, but just test it out for myself, like the texture of it. It's got like a little bit of a pink consistency. Ooh, I think I will like that a lot more because I love my skincare product nice and light. Ooh, that feels really good. I love the consistency of that. I just dropped the cap, so I'll have to get that in a minute, but I'm really excited to try this. The video must go on, so let's go ahead and get into the next product, but I'm really excited to try that Benefit Professional product. It looks really great. You all know Benefit Cosmetics is one of my all-time favorite beauty brands. The next product that I received in my January 2022 Glam Bag is by First Aid Beauty, and this is their Ultra Repair Cream. I have a few things to say about First Aid Beauty, and I feel like it's going to be one of those unpopular opinion type things, but as you all know, I have incredibly sensitive skin. I always have, and when First Aid Beauty really started to become big, I feel like a lot of people recommended this to me, the brand in general, and so I was really excited to try it, but their products actually made me break out more, and I just didn't love their products. Unfortunately, I will not be utilizing this. Like, it doesn't mean that their products are bad by any means, because I just have very sensitive skin, and products that work for other people with sensitive skin don't work for me. So skincare is so individualized, but for me personally, First Aid Beauty is just not a winner for me. But I am impressed that they included this in the January Glam Bag, being that it's the winter months, obviously, and our skin is extra dry, and so this would be a great product to receive if First Aid Beauty works well for you. The next product in my Glam Bag is this product caught my eye. This is the, I don't even know how to say this brand. I've literally never in my life heard of this brand. This is the Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. It's weird, like it has the brand name on it, but I just like never heard of it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this, but maybe I'll try it in like a testing new makeup video. I believe this is the last product in my IPSY Glam Bag for January 2022, and this is by the brand Dew Tube, and it's this hydrating lip gloss. It's got like all kinds of ingredients that it doesn't have. I did receive another product from this brand. Might have been last month as well. Go ahead and open this up and swatch it. I love testing out lower toxin products. Is something that is so important. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Like, this is stunning. I love this packaging. This is probably one of the most random details I've ever shared about a beauty product. But like, the bottom of this packaging is like rounded, and I think that's like so pretty, and I love the packaging. And now I'm going to swatch and try this because I just have to put a gloss on top of this. Ooh. And I even love like the doe foot applicator. It's like tilted. You can kind of see it's so glossy. Operation put this on starts right now. I hope it's not sticky because I'm like totally hyping this product up. It also makes my lips look so much more plump, I feel like. I like that a lot. I'm not mad about it. I like that a lot. This is a winner for me. Like, this is so pretty. That's all for this now. I'll stop talking about it. So that is everything in my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of January 2022. This was a huge winner for me this month. The only product that I wasn't super fan of is the First Aid Beauty product. But other than that, I love and will use all the products in my Glam Bag this month. And I'm just really excited. So let's go ahead and see now what is inside my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of January. So here's the Glam Bag design for the month of January. It goes along with the Glam Bag, of course, like the regular Glam Bag, and then this has a little happy face in the middle. So kind of cute. I don't use these bags, but it's cute if you do use them. Glam Bag Plus costs $28 per month, and you're guaranteed to get at least $100 worth of product. The Glam Bag Plus subscription continues to blow me away every single month. And I know to some $28 is a lot for a subscription service, but with Glam Bag Plus, you really do get your money's worth. All these products are full size, and the value of these is just unbeatable. You can check out my playlist of previous Glam Bag Plus as well to see what I've gotten in the past, and it is absolutely incredible. So the first thing that I have in my Glam Bag Plus for the month of January, I was really confused at first because the packaging is very unique. It honestly looks like a book at first. It's by the brand Secret of Sahara, and this is the Huxley Mask and Oil Extract. I did open this up briefly. They're just a set of 3 masks. I don't use this kind of thing, but here's what they look like. I will also put a better picture so that you can see what they look like, but this must be like a very expensive brand just because I can tell just by the packaging itself, not your average sheet mask. So if this is something that you love to treat yourself with, these would be a great value. The next product that we have is by the brand Girlactic, and this is the Cranberry Sugar Face Scrub, and I received a eyeshadow stick, or was it a highlight stick from them, and their products are so good. I had no idea that they had skincare. I thought they were just makeup. Sometimes it's those smaller brands that have the best products. I had no idea that they had skincare, but I love the packaging of this. I've literally never seen a face scrub like this. I almost have a college degree. I should be able to figure out how to open a face scrub. This should not be this complicated. More to come on that because I don't want to waste this whole video trying to open it, but I will insert a picture of this product, like what the actual product looks like, not the container. Because there's a thing on the side where you should be able to like grab it and like pinch it to open, but I don't know. So if you have mobility issues, this may not be the best face scrub for you to get because the packaging may be a little bit challenging. The next product that we have here is just a single simple makeup brush, and this is another brand I've never heard of. It's by the brand Hip Dot. It's just a regular like flat shader brush. I love these brushes for like an eyeshadow lid color. Makes it so simple and so quick, so you can never go wrong with receiving makeup brushes in a subscription service because you can never go wrong. They're a great thing to get. This is like going by so fast, like the Glam Bag Plus, but there's not really stuff to swatch, so there's really not too much to say about it until I actually get to use the product. So this next product I received is another brand I've never heard of, like so many brands I've not heard of in these Glam Bags this month. This is by the brand Kimchi Chic, and this is the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. I love setting sprays. This product is huge. I feel like for a setting spray, like this is huge. This is 3.55 fluid ounces. Again, for a setting spray, I just feel like that's so much product. If you want a setting spray that will last you a long time, like this is the one to get. I love the packaging too. Like it's so pretty and bright, like it's so cute on my makeup test. Just your classic setting spray, not too much to say about it right offhand until I get to use it, but if you're looking for one with value, this is it. I'm going to look more into the brand at Kimchi Chic. The last product, I should not have ended off with this product because it's literally the only one I'm not excited about, and this is by Chella. Well, I shouldn't say it's not the only. It's It's not the only one I'm not excited about. I'm not a fan of the sheet masks either, but this is by Cella, and I typically love Cella products, but this is the Dual Liquid Eyeliner Pearl Eyeliner Double Liner. I typically love Cella products, but eyeliner is just not a product seen over here on FunsizedStyle. But I do love the packaging of this one. Like, it's so pretty. I love the color. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to be giving it away. This is a really great value. Oh, I'm just now noticing the reason it's dual-ended is because it has 2 eyeliner colors in one. On one side it's blue, and then on the other side it's black, so you get a blue and black liner all in one. So each end is different, like I literally just noticed. So really great product for travel. We got some 2-in-1 makeup products here, and I don't know, I think that's really cool if you wear liners. So that is everything in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of January 2022. I really liked my IPSY Glam Bag this month. I'm not a fan of the sheet mask, and I'm not a fan of the eyeliner, but everything else I'm really excited to try. But I think Glam Bag continues to be the winner for me because, I don't know, even though it's like obviously a lesser value, like I just tend to like more of the product in my Glam Bag than Glam Bag Plus. But in the same way, like there's products in my Glam Bag Plus that I'm so excited about. So I am really fortunate that I get to receive and experience both tiers of subscription. I did forget to mention in the beginning, if you're new, IPSY does send me these Glam Bags to review and share with my audience every month. So thank you to IPSY for sending these my way to share with my audience and review for you. So I'll have a link down in the description box where you can sign up for IPSY, and then I'll also have products to the individual products linked down below. And if you have any other questions, you can also leave those in the comments. So lots of chatter going to be going on in the comments, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.